This is Knowledge 1, Lesson 4. This story is The Dog in the Manger. Now listen carefully so that you can identify and explain the moral of this fable. Okay? And the word we're going to use is budge. What does it mean to budge? So listen carefully. There once was a dog who liked to nap on hot days in the cool barn. He liked to sleep in the manger, the long wooden box where hay was put for the farm animals to eat. One day, after a long afternoon pulling the plow, the oxen returned to the barn, hungry for their dinner. But they couldn't get to their food because the dog was lying in the manger, taking a nap on the hay. "Excuse me," said one of the tired oxen. "Would you please move so that I can eat my hay?" The dog, angry at being awakened from his nap, growled and barked at the ox. "Please," said the hungry ox, "I've had a hard day and I'm hungry." But the dog, who did not even eat hay but only enjoyed it for its comfort, barked and snapped in response and refused to budge. At last, the poor oxen had to give up and went away tired and hungry. So what's the moral of that story? Right, if you think about it, you should be nice and share, especially when someone else needs something more than you do.